Hello everyone, welcome back for another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about being wealthy.
So, being wealthy is a very interesting topic. Now, it's quite funny in the human psyche as it may be, and I am no psychologist, but you can observe this pretty easily, that everyone desires to be rich, but once you are wealthy, everybody hates you.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Yeah, being wealthy is, and not to say that we are in the least bit.
Not yet. We're wealthy in many ways, but yeah.
Just thinking about the prospect of being wealthy, there's a lot of responsibility to it. I mean, perhaps if you're low income, you may think, well, having lots of money, that would be the best thing. You know, I could buy this, that, and the other. But people who actually have large quantities of money, they have to be very careful about how they spend that money, because once it's spent, they're no longer wealthy.
Yeah, exactly. And, you know, wealth and money, and I can talk from somebody who has been at the very bottom end of the wealth experience, that, you know, wealth isn't going to make you any happier, okay? Now, it can buy you a lot of stuff. It can, you know, it can help you along in life. It can help, you know, certain things go smoother. You know, of course, there's valuations, you know, people put on wealthy people. You know, you get different service. If you walk into, you know, if you walk into a restaurant and, you know, you're wearing ratty-tatty clothes, you're going to have less of a service given to you than some guy that walks in, you know, looking like a business person or something like that. It's just kind of the psychological nature of human beings as a whole. But, you know, your wealth is not defined by your paycheck. And I would really like to encourage you that when you see somebody wealthy, instead of chiming in with everybody else and saying, oh, well, you know, that's because he's rich, kind of rethink that a little bit, because there's a lot of things that man or that woman sacrificed to get where they are at. And there's a lot of sleepless hours that they worked that you are not.
That's right. So much of it is setting your priorities and what is important to you as an individual, and where you want to go as far as your career, and having a balance between your work life and your family life.
Yeah. And not every business, because this is a business topic, not every business is destined, nor needs to be destined, to make you happy to be a 6 or 7 figure business. You know, that takes you a lot of time. You know, maybe you don't need 90 employees to be happy. And in fact, it's probably going to turn you gray-headed quicker than you know. So, you know, define for yourself what wealth looks like, and don't look down on anybody who is wealthier than you or anybody who is less fortunate than you. Be happy and praise God that you are exactly where you're at.
So, great question there. What does being wealthy mean to you? So
yeah.
We'd love to hear from our subscribers.
Yep, put that down in the comment section down below. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3. Thank you all for watching this video. And like we always say,
we'll catch you on the next one.
God bless you.